This is the Fisher Waterfall Trilogy, California. About 3/4 complete. Trying to determine the flow of water. And it's interesting how you have to look at the different angles to determine what it is you like or don't like about the feature. It goes from a holding tank at the bottom, pumped up with a really nice low flow pump that you can regulate in terms of the amount of water, and it comes over the first into one stream into the sump and then pump back up. The river rock is going to flow around with no water in it and end naturally at the corner, with these large rocks being placed in and around the project so that you can have plantings of various kinds of tall and low shrubs, grasses, succulents, or whatever. It appears that it's functioning well. It's lined, and it appears that evaporation won't be a significant problem. The interesting part of the project is getting your rocks at different level so that the water does in fact flow over. Anyway, rock, solid. Kevin Frankhouse and Gus Vanderstat are the architects of this project, and so far it looks very nice.